Hello everybody, welcome to my first tutorial video for Minecraft. Well, my second really, but my first serious one. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Minecraft maps. So yeah, first you need to go to the internet page that has the maps download link. Now, always be careful when downloading things. You never know, it might be a virus or some kind of malware. But, yeah, now you just go to the download link and, it will open a website called AdFly, which, you have to wait 5 seconds, and then you click skip ad. Now, once you click skip ad, why is my internet, of all the times my internet could have chosen to be sucky, it was when I'm recording and timed. So it brings you to this website called mediafire.com, and you click download, and if a pop-up opens, you close it because that is usually a virus. Now, you save the dropper, or whatever map you downloaded, on your desktop. So, this is actually my second attempt at recording this video. But, okay, now you're back on your desktop, and you have this file, which in my case is called the dropper.bigre.zip. By the way, this is a Mac tutorial. This is not the same on PC, or Windows, or anything other than Mac, really. And, yeah, you just double-click that, and it will extract another folder. Now, you go into that folder, and, there might be something like this. You just look through folders until you find a folder that looks like this. Now, hold on, really? Do you have to be this stupid? Hold on. This has the folders data, dim-1, dim1, level.dat underscore old, players, region, and session.lock. If it has all those folders, then go back and drag that folder onto your desktop. Now you can delete this folder. Now, go into Finder, and go in Library, Application Support, and in Application Support will be a folder called Minecraft. So you go into Minecraft, it won't be nearly this, jumbled around, but, there will be a folder called Saves. Now you drag this folder into Saves, and you just exit Finder. Now, to make sure everything works, open up the Minecraft launcher and start playing. I'm only playing on 1.5.2 because that is what the map is, I guess. So go to single player and then just try to find the map. So here we go. We have a map, a world called Ing, the Dropper by Bigre. Click Play Selected World, and it will load up. Everything's working. Just play one level to make sure everything is working perfectly fine. Leopard and fall into the water, collect the diamond, and then you can progress to the next level. Everything is how it is supposed to be. And yeah. By the way, most people don't like it when you cheat on their maps, so yeah, don't be a cheater. People tend not to like cheaters for whatever reason. Anyway, yeah, I'll just play the first 3 levels and then we'll end. So you can skip this part if you want, like already played the dropper, all that. No, not the cloud. Okay, that was good. So yeah, that was my tutorial on how to download Minecraft maps. And if you are like me to rage quit and you're a cheater and all that, like me, then you will, here's how to enable cheats in a world that unlocked. Let's say you wanted to do give EP diamond 64. And it says you do not have permission to use this command. What you do is you go to the pause screen, click open to LAN, click allow cheats on, click start land world, and do it again. Diamond is not a valid number. You get the point. Okay, so I will see you guys and girls later. Goodbye.